Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an all glitter Valentine's Day mani for a collab over on Instagram. I'm starting off with some peel base from Kozmik nails. I apply about one generous layer of peel base. You can do 1 to 3 layers, but just the one I can get to last me about a week and still get them to pop off really easily. So while that's drying, I'll go over the colors I'm going to be using. First is Dorothy from Color My Roll Dips. It's just this really pretty red glitter. Next is Hall Pass, also from Color My Roll Dips, and it's just this really pretty solid red. So I'm just making this little mixture ahead of time. I'm just putting some clear in this cupcake liner, and then I'm going to add some of the red into it. I was trying this new thing for a peekaboo nail, just to get it kind of like more translucent. Once your peel base is dry, you're good to go ahead and start applying your dip base. So I made a little mistake right here. I caught it after I did 2 nails. I should have gone in with base layer, but instead I accidentally did my top layer, but it still worked out in the end. So now I'm just going to go in and clean it up and get it looking how I want. So here I wanted to try an upside down peekaboo. It didn't end up working out the way I wanted it to. I still showed the process here a little bit, but I did end up changing it. It was at this moment I realized I did something wrong because it was still really shiny, and then realized I needed my base coat. So the remaining 3 of my nails are going to be just glitter. Alright, we're going to dust off any extra powder and we're going to do our second layer. Now we're going to take Ultra Clear on our ring finger and index finger and cover up the glitter. Now we're going to finish up this nail. We're going to go in with the red and we're just going to put the base layer up to where the glitter ends. Around this time, I was realizing I didn't like the look of this nail and I did take it off. So now I'm going to go slightly up onto the glitter with the base layer and I'm going to go in with that mixture I made earlier to coat it. Now we'll go in with the clear on the rest of our nails. Now I'm going to activate all of them and let it harden for just a few seconds and then we're going to go in and file. So we can see how I changed my ring finger. I did more of an ombre on the bottom going up. So I'm going to go ahead and file a little bit of my thumb here with you guys and then I'll speed it up. I like to go around the edges first. Here I'm just going over the top and making sure everything's smooth and reshaping the nail back to what it's supposed to look like. Okay, so I filed the rest of them off camera and this is what we have. Now I'm going to scrub the heck out of my nails and get all of the extra dust off. Going in with my no wipe gel top coat. In a minute you will see that I added some last minute nail art, so I didn't film it. So this is my favorite gel top coat just because of how shiny it is. And the most important step is our cuticle oil. We're gonna go in with my favorite one from Scales of a Mermaid called Spicy Reeds. This is the finished look. Overall, pretty happy with it, besides redoing my ring finger a bajillion times. Everything I used will be linked in the description box down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.